In this video you will discover how you can create automated Evergreen webinars in 3 simple steps and the 5 main benefits of running automated webinars. You will also discover how you can put your webinars on Autopilot with unlimited audience and 0 monthly fees. In this channel we help small to mid-sized businesses accelerate their business growth through system automation and process transformation. If you are new to Dynamic Zenergy's channel, make sure you click the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you can be notified when we post new videos. All the links to everything we mention in this video you will find in the description below. Make sure you watch until the end to find out how you can access a range of free business resources. Our free business resources could help you in maximizing your profit through system automation and process transformation. Let's get started. There are many reasons why it is more beneficial to run automated webinars over live webinar presentations. But in this video, we will only go through the main 5 benefits of automated webinars. The main downside of live webinars is that it takes place at a specific date and time. It limits the number of people who could attend the live webinar session since the timing has to suit their schedule. Automated webinars offer a good alternative solution to this problem. It allows your audience to request on-demand version of the presentation which they can watch at a more convenient time that suits them. The 5 main benefits of running automated webinars on Autopilot are as follows. 1. Automated webinars can save you a lot of time. Live webinars take a lot of time to plan, prepare and execute properly. You have to create email campaigns such as promotions, reminders and post-webinar update. You have to rehearse the live webinar multiple times and so on. When you decide to run the webinar again, you have to go through the same process all over again. The benefit of automated webinars is that you only have to produce the content once. You can run the automated webinars as many times as you want. Your audience can watch it whenever they choose. 2. Automated webinars are readily available at any time. One of the main benefits of automated webinars is that it is always available. You can choose to present it as an on-demand video, or you can run it at a specific time intervals every 2 hours, for example. It allows your potential customers to learn more about your company, your products and services whenever they feel ready. They do not have to plan their activities around your webinar schedule. You can promote the webinars on social media, on the homepage of your website and as a banner in your blogs. 3. Automated webinars serves as an ongoing lead generation tool. Live webinars only generate leads prior to the scheduled event. The registration page for automated webinars serves as a landing page for your lead magnets. It provides your website visitor a chance to opt in to gain access to the video. It allows you to automate the lead generation process. Automated webinars serves as a lead generation tool in an ongoing basis. 4. Automated webinars can be shared easily. Once you complete the live webinar presentations, you can maximize its value and use by repurposing the webinar content. But repurposing the webinar content takes a lot of extra time and effort. Automated webinars can be easily shared by people who enjoyed the content. They can easily share the link to the videos with their friends and colleagues, which could generate new leads and more customers for you. When people share the links to the videos, it could provide you more qualified leads through word-of-mouth referrals. 5. Automated webinars gives you much greater audience exposure. By having automated webinars with personable content and offering solutions to the viewer's problem could make your business easier to connect with. It provides them something they can relate to, and they may be more likely to purchase the product or service that you are promoting. Automated webinars are effective in boosting your marketing efforts. It allows you to potentially generate more qualified leads, which could increase your sales on Autopilot. You could potentially earn some income through passive traffic. Do you want to use a software that will help you to leverage the full potential of automated webinars? Do you want to grow your business, maximize your revenue and increase your profit since there are no monthly fees? If your answer is yes, then the automated webinar cloud-based software is perfect for you. This fully automated webinar cloud-based software is a long time coming. It provides a done-for-you solution that allows you to instantly set up potentially high-converting webinar campaigns. Imagine if minutes from now, you could tap into the ultimate Zoom replacement software. The software where you can create evergreen webinars that could potentially earn you a passive income by putting it on autopilot. A virtually unlimited 24/7 income stream that maximizes your profit with potentially minimal work for you. It is all 100% newbie-friendly, 100% done for you with 200% money-back guarantee if it does not work for you. Do you want to know how? It is simple. You only need two things to succeed online: traffic and something to sell. All the traffic right now is going to live conferences, video meetings and webinars. According to the article published by CNBC, Zoom alone has over 300 million daily meeting participants. There is no better way to sell than through the power of video. What if you could combine huge volumes of traffic from live webinars, videos and online conferences to sell high-ticket products with potentially higher conversion rates while minimizing doing all of the work yourself? It could lead to a revolution in internet marketing unlike any other. Introducing ProfitMeet. ProfitMeet is the ultimate all-in-one webinar software. It lets you tap into the global rise of video meetings, live conferences and webinars with potentially high volume of free traffic. It lets you run webinars with unlimited attendees, both live and pre-recorded ones. You could also use the software in your business in other ways. You can do video calls with clients, start live conferences with your team or chat with your family and friends. ProfitMeet comes with its own proprietary streaming technology. It uses revolutionary cloud compression to deliver a zero-lag, high-definition streaming experience. The software does not collect or share any personal information. You will not be targeted with ads. The software's world-class encryption makes sure that your data, videos and streams remain yours. Here is how it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into the cloud-based software. There is nothing for you to set up, configure or host at all. Step 2. Create your webinar, video meeting or live conference. You can stream recorded videos or webinar replays if you do not want to be live yourself. Step 3. ProfitMeet can blast your link through the autoresponder to thousands of people. It can share your stream all over social media, which could potentially generate an income for you on autopilot. Traffic methods could be 100% free and potentially completely automated. Traffic could come from all your different live streams. You could share your webinars on different social media platforms for an instant increase of viral traffic. With everyone right now watching webinars, attending online video conferences and so on, you could get thousands of viewers in no time. How cool is that? The software is providing the full benefits of webinars while removing potentially 100% of the obstacles. And the best part? No monthly fees either. For a long time, running webinars has been a costly experience. It could be considered as reserved for the elite. Since some webinar service providers are charging a high 3-figure monthly prices. Only the so-called gurus have had access to this incredibly high converting system. Running webinars could be a very profitable business. But there have been some limitations in creating profitable webinars, such as high monthly fees for a webinar platform. According to Zoom's website, their webinar platform cost over $400 AUD per month. The expensive monthly fees really put off many people from doing webinars. According to Zoom's website, their webinar platform cost over $4,000 AUD per year. ProfitMeet is so much more affordable. It comes with a one-time fee and includes so much more. Do not wait much longer to get access to ProfitMeet. It is a revolutionary software that every marketer needs to tap into one of the biggest traffic sources globally right now. Hurry! Join today by clicking on the first link in the description box before that no monthly fees launch offers ends. If you decide to purchase the software using our affiliate link, we will receive a small commission at no additional cost to you. Do you want more free business tips and resources that could help in maximizing your profit through system automation and process transformation? If your answer is yes, click on the links in the description box to find out how you can access our free business resources. We offer a range of free business essential guides with tips and checklists. You can get free business health check reports. You can use free calculators that could help in managing your cash flow, increase your sales and potentially increase your profit. Disclaimer: The information in this video is not intended for use as a source of legal, business, accounting or financial advice. All viewers are advised to seek services of competent professionals in legal, business, accounting and finance fields. This video contains general information only. If you found the information valuable, like this video, share the love and give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. Thanks for watching.